Morning everybody, Tori with Soper Firearms Training here with you today. So what I got for you this morning, kind of a goofy, different little video. I've been in the market for a new holster. I've been wanting a new one. I like the one I got. I just wanted to try something different, something from another maker and see what I thought. And I kind of feel like as an instructor, I need to understand the differences between soft loops, DCC clips, the difference between how this brand works and this other brand works is I did try it out myself. So, you know, I kind of have this plan that as I progress, buy different pieces from different places so that I can just say, I like it, I don't like it, and give you guys what I think. So I was looking for a new holster and I found one. And just full disclosure, not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by him. He is a friend, but don't let that dissuade you, friend or not. I'm going to tell you what I think. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. But what happened is the holster showed up last week, and I was in a hurry. So I hurried up and set the camera up real quick so I could do an unboxing and a first impression. And I thought, well, we'll just hurry up and record this real quick. It'll only take a couple minutes and I can get to work and do what I got to do. Well, I went to do the editing and my audio sucked. I was obviously in a hurry. I couldn't remember nothing. It was just a bad video. So I thought, well, when I get home this time, I'll sit down and I'll do an actual video. So here I am. Now I did record at the end of this video. When I did it last week, I did some practice draws with this holster. I will put that at the end of this video. Just some practice draws just to check, you know, make sure the retention was good with it, make sure it wasn't hanging up on anything and things like that. So I'll put that in the end of this one. So let's get to the holster. This is a Haven Defense Apostle Appendix Inside the Waistband holster. What I noticed when I pulled this out of the box right away, number one, the color. This color is amazing. Purple is my favorite color, but I do like the deeper plum. And from what this color was showing on his website versus what I got home, is right on the money. I love this color. I really like this carbon fiber look. I just think it's cool. The other thing I noticed is, man, this thing is stout. It is, it's strong, it's sturdy, but it's very lightweight. I mean, of course, its Kydex shouldn't be heavy. It weighs almost nothing. And I don't know if you can tell, but the thickness of the Kydex, I believe is a 0.08 thickness. And if that's wrong, Brent, let me know in the comments and I'll put up a little graphic saying that what it really is. But I like that it's that thick because this thing, it is not compressing, it's not twisting. This thing is really built well. Some of the options I chose to go with. The Darkwing. I really like this one over the typical claw. I think they just call it a mod wing. It's a little bit smaller. My belts don't seem to grab it as well. Whereas this, I can adjust a little bit and still get a little bit in there. I'm really liking this. I really get a good twist. The other thing I've done is I went with the soft loops this time. Now, I have DCC clips on my previous holster, and I like them both equally. But let me tell you the difference between these two. With the DCC clips, yes, they're a little thinner. I don't think it makes any difference in the concealment. These do really well. The DCC clips do well. But the DCC clips are really easy to get on. You pull the little clips back a little bit, slide it on your belt, bam, you're good to go. Problem with those is there's a little hook on the back side of that to hang onto your belt. They're kind of a pain to get off. You got to raise the belt and pull the clips, and it's a process. Soft loops are just the opposite. To get these on, you've got to get the holster down inside you and your waistband, while at the same time trying to hold these and get them down in between your waistband and your belt. That can be, I'm sure there's an easier way to do it, and I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's a little tough. But to pull them off, these pull the dot snaps, I mean, they just, you snap them up. And these are just as secure as the DCC clips. I have not had any issues with movement. It's not changing cant. And then you just pull from the top, pull down, and there you go. The other thing I really like about this holster is it's got this little cut right here. This is where my magazine release button is. I really like a holster where, and I'll get the pistol out here in a minute and I'll show you retention and everything. You can see that I'll show you this, but when I'm doing a round count on the line, I don't want to have to pull my gun out. I don't want to have to pop it up just a little bit. So having this button exposed where I can just pop the magazine out and check my round count and not have to mess with the gun at all, I really like that idea, and I'm very impressed. The other thing, I went with the Apostle because of the integrated wedge. Integrated, that's probably the wrong word, but the molded wedge. Now, I don't know if it's because of the way I wear my holster or if it's my body shape, but I need a thicker wedge. So I was thinking I was going to buy this and then put a Dark Star Gear teardrop on top of it. But I gotta tell you, I may not need it. With the way this is molded, I'm getting really good concealment. I'll play with it a little bit, and I'll do a review, I don't know, 6 months down the road and kind of let you know what all I think. But I really like this idea. The other thing with this holster is it is compatible with the Phlster, compatible. It will go on to the Phlster Enigma. It's already ready to be set up. I don't have an Enigma. I've not talked myself into purchasing one yet. They're a great product. Everybody I know that runs them absolutely loves them. I don't know if it's for me. If I decide to do that, I will definitely do another review on not only that, but the way this holster mounts to it and all that. But that's nice to have, because if I do change my mind, I don't have to buy another holster. I just got to attach it. So let's get to the retention. Move my coffee here. So I have my Walther. I almost did it again. See, my last video, I called this a Walther VP9. And I didn't know I did that until I was rewatching the video. And I thought, you rookie, you're such a butt. So my Walther PDP. And this is, I don't know if you've seen, but we are clear. It slides right in, and there is a good snap. It's not a little push sound. That is a good snap. It is in there very securely. So this Haven Defense holster does meet all three requirements required to be a quality holster. Covers the trigger guard completely. I cannot get in there. Nothing can get in there. It holds it. It's got good retention, and I can get a good firing grip. Now, when this is on me, with my ride height, I can get right in here. I have no problem grabbing hold of it. The other thing, everything is very smooth. The gun slides right in. I mean, nothing hangs up on the way out. Nothing hangs up. So I am super impressed with this holster. And let me tell you, now, like I said, I've been wearing this for a week now, and I drove 8 hours nonstop. I did not have to adjust this one time. Not one time did I have to kind of move around and make it more comfortable. I don't know what he's done. I don't know what the difference is. But a lot of the holsters I get as I'm driving, I've got to kind of pick up on it a little bit, and I got to play with it a little bit once in a while as I'm bouncing down the road. Not one time did I have to mess with this while I was sitting there driving. So that impressed me a lot. Yeah, a great holster. Haven Defense, great guy. Like I said, I consider him a friend. I highly recommend his holsters. I'm definitely going to buy some more equipment from him that I'm going to need for future classes and things. But yeah, high quality, good holster. I highly recommend it. So yeah, enjoy the video. These are just some draw to first shot I did just to make sure that I wasn't getting hung up anywhere. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you're in the market for a holster, I hope this is something that will help you make a decision. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day. We're going to stop that for a minute. We're going to reset it. I am going to move this so that I can't see it. And please forgive my mess back here. I am in the process of moving. So, all right. Now I know I'm from the beep and not the light.
Stand by. 0.8. Stand by. 0.7. Stand by.
Ooh, yeah, we're not going to finish that one.
Stand by.
My stance is wrong. Everything's wrong. Here, let's go.
Stand by. 0.8.
Let's push a little harder.
Stand by.
Read that one.
Stand by. Stand by. 0.8. Stand by. 0.8. Stand by. 0.7. Stand by.
Didn't read it again.
Stand by.
Didn't read it again. I don't know what's going on there.
Stand by. 0.7.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got to tell you,
Stand by.
if you're looking for a new holster, and it didn't read it, this Haven Defense, man, this is a high quality. I am loving it.
0.8.
I've got good retention. I've got good retention. I've got, we're going to stop this. I'm getting good retention. It's not going anywhere. I can, wow, Jimmy. It's not doing anything. But it's coming out very smooth. And when I bring it back in, sliding right in. I'm getting a good positive snap. So this is probably just a really quick video. I got a ton to do today. I got to get moved. I'm working on it. But anyway, thank you for watching. I will put a link for Haven Defense in the description. I will also put a link for the Enigma that I talked about. Check them out. This Haven Defense holster I'm very, very impressed. So look him up, give him a try. Thank you for watching. Hey, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of my videos. Can I do anything different? You know, how can I improve? That's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to improve not only my firearm skills, but my video skills, my personality skills, whatever you want to call them. But anyway, let me know what you think. Have a great day. We will see you later.